Want to make a handbag or slippers? Or maybe a stuffed animal? Crochet patterns for these items may require you to work around a foundation chain. So let me show you how to do that. The pattern will first tell you how many chains to make. I'll leave a link in the description for a video on that. Then the pattern will explain what stitches to make in each chain. You'll need to increase a few times, which means putting more than one stitch into a chain, but I'll show you how to do that later. After making stitches into the last chain, you will turn your foundation just like this, and then continue to crochet into each previously worked stitch. It might be difficult to see where to insert your hook. Remember, the chain stitch looks like a V. So when you start, you're crocheting into one side of the V. After turning the foundation, you're working into the other side of the V. When you get to the end, the pattern will either tell you to make a slip stitch or you'll just keep working in a continuous round. And that's all there is to working around a foundation chain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.